we are here today, actually in our driveway. So not a place that we typically take videos, but we are here actually to do something really awesome. We found out about a new product. We've been looking at different systems to anchor, and found a shallow water anchor system that actually we can do manually and has a really great price point. So we thought it would be perfect for us. So we are here actually today with our dig and anchor, and we are going to be unboxing this and then also installing this. So hopefully you get excited to see this, the whole process from start to end. So the first thing that's really fun is we came home from work one day and saw a really giant box in front of our house, and actually what that is our poles. And I have to say that we did kind of cheat in unboxing them, because honestly we were just so excited to see what it looked like and kind of have the product in our hand. We saw a lot of videos about this, and we're really excited to get this here. So I believe that there might even be different colors of poles, maybe white, definitely the black here, but very light. This is the 12-foot pole version, so a little bit longer than some, but I think this fits our need, and that's one of the great things about this product, is it really is meant for what type of angler you are. So we have two of these poles, one for the front of the boat, one for the back of the boat, and we'll get back to this in a little bit. So one thing to note, even being 12-foot pole, it really does sit right along the edge of our boat, so still out of the way. We have a ton of 7-foot fishing poles sitting around anyways, so you know, our fishing boat really seems to be a good fit here. The next package that we got is it has this really nice label, our other pieces to the dig and anchors. So the posts are really nice and they slide into a tube, and we screw it on. So let's see what it looks like when we open it up. The first thing that we have is the instruction manual. And right away, right at the top, it has some very basic instructions, so you're not going to have to be sitting here for a really long time. And to be honest, I cheated and watched a few videos before this, so we'll put this to the side for now. A ton of bubble wrap, which is great, because it is packed very securely. So what we do have here is our dig and anchor. This is going to be for the front of the boat. It's going to, you know, get screwed on like this, and then the anchor pole fits right down the middle. So you can see it's a very slim design. It's a very sleek design. Even if you have, you know, all the different products on your boat and you're looking for something small, you know, this is just a really nice product. It's very sleek. So we'll put this to the side. And then we also have, this is, you know, the holder for the back of the boat. So this will actually be put on kind of near the motor. We'll show you that a lot more coming up. And again, the anchor pole will fit right here. Some more bubble wrap. There is, you know, a pamphlet in here in case I want to buy a pontoon boat and maybe put that on a pontoon boat. So that'll be awesome. But otherwise, we are gonna be good to go, and we'll install it next.